Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am taking the sums of Fourier transform in unit 2. So let's start. In the previous video, I have taken all the formulas. So please go back to our previous video and check. I've left the link in the description below. So let's start. Over here, we have to find FCT and FST. FCT is Fourier cosine transform and FST is Fourier sine transform. Now, for FCT, we have the formula. The formula is integration of 0 to infinity f of x into FCT is Fourier cosine transform. So cos lambda x dx. This is the formula. Then we have to find FST. FST. The formula for this is integration of 0 to infinity f of x into sine lambda x dx. So now after this we'll first find FCT. So FCT is basically FC of lambda we have to find. So it is equal to, we'll substitute the value in place of f of x, we can write e raised to minus 2x. So we'll write that integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2x into cos lambda x dx. So then now for e raised to ax into cos bx, for this we have another formula, that is it is integration of e raised to ax into cos bx dx is equal to e raised to ax upon. All these formulas I have discussed in detail in the previous video, so please check out. So it is a square plus b square into a into cos bx plus b into sine bx. So now we can put all the values in this sum. So then we'll put in the values. We have e raised to ax, that is e raised to minus 2x upon a square, where a is minus 2 and b is lambda. So a square will be minus 2 square, that is 4, plus b square will be lambda square into a is minus 2 cos bx, that is lambda x, plus b, again it is a lambda, into sine lambda x. So now we can put the limits. The limits will be 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Now you all know that how to solve the limit sum. It is upper limit minus lower limit. Now we will put, first upper limit is infinity. So now we'll put in the values. Wherever we all see x, we have to put the value infinity, because it is with respect to dx, therefore we will put the value for x. So it is e raised to minus 2 infinity upon 4 plus lambda square into minus 2 cos lambda infinity plus lambda sine lambda infinity. So minus, now the lower limit we will put, that is a 0. So we can substitute the value e raised to minus 2 into 0 upon 4 plus lambda square into minus 2 cos lambda 0 plus lambda sine lambda 0. So now we have put in the limits. So now we can solve this. Now one thing what you have to remember is that sine 0 will be 0, cos 0 will be 1, e raised to infinity will be 0. So then these are the formulas to be remembered. And so let's start with solving this. Over here it is minus e raised to minus 2 infinity, therefore it becomes e raised to infinity. E raised to infinity is 0. So and 0 multiplied by anything will become 0. Therefore this entire term will become 0 minus we have 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 becomes 0, therefore it becomes e raised to 0, and e raised to 0 is 1. So we have 1 upon 4 plus lambda square into, we have cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So this entire term becomes 1, and then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. So this entire term becomes 0 because anything multiplied by 0 will become 0. So therefore this. And then now we have left with minus, and minus becomes plus. So equals to plus 1 upon 4 plus lambda square into 2. So 2 will get multiplied over here, and the answer, that is the FCT or FC of lambda, will become 2 upon 4 plus lambda square. So this is the answer. So now we will remove FST. FST is equal to Fs of lambda is what we are removing. So the formula is integration of 0 to infinity f of x into sine lambda x dx. So this is the formula. Now we will put the value f of x is e raised to minus 2x. So therefore integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2x into sine lambda x dx. So then now we have the same formula as we have used for finding FCT, that is integration of e raised to ax. We have cos bx dx. Now we will put over here sine. So this plus will become minus. So the formula will be e raised to minus 2x upon a square plus b square, that is 4 plus lambda square into, we have a, that is minus 2, into sine lambda x, we have minus lambda into cos lambda x. So then we will the limits as 0 to infinity. Now as previous sum, will minus upper limit minus lower limit. Now we'll put infinity in place of x. So to minus 2 infinity upon 4 plus lambda square to minus 2 sine lambda infinity minus, now lower limit, that is 0. So e raised to minus 2 into 0 upon 4 plus lambda square into sine lambda 0 lambda cos lambda 0. So now we have put on the limits. Now we have to just solve it.
E raised to infinity means it will become 0. So the any term multiplied by 0, the entire term will become 0. So therefore this will become 0. 0 minus, now minus e raised to now 2 into 0 is 0. So e raised to 0 will be 1. So we'll write 1 upon 4 plus
Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0 into 2 will become 0, minus 1 into lambda will become lambda. Then we have minus minus, which will become plus. It will become lambda upon 4 plus lambda square. Now this is Fs of lambda, that is FST, Fourier Sine Transform. So this is the way we have to remove FST and FCT. In questions also they will tell us to find the Fourier Sine Transform, Fourier Cosine Transform, inverse Fourier Transform, and so on and so forth. So the important thing to remember is all those formulas. You have to learn it down and practice these sums. And in the upcoming videos I'll be taking some more example on Fourier Transform. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.